posting every day and still getting zero engagement? Posting is not social media management, and in 2026, it definitely will not bring you customers. Real social media growth in 2026 happens when you post the right content at the right time for the right audience, not when you post just to stay active. The truth about social media. Posting randomly will not grow your business. People think social media management means posting pictures, quotes, or promotions, but in 2026, that is the fastest way to get ignored. Social media success comes from strategy, relevance, timing, trends, strong visuals, clear messaging, and audience psychology. Most pages have content, but they do not have connection. Why your social media is not working. Your social media is not working because you are posting for yourself, not for your audience. If your content does not address your audience's needs, problems, or interests, they will scroll past your brand every time. A skincare brand posting only product images gets almost no engagement. A SaaS company posting features gets no signups. A real estate page posting only sold properties gets no new buyers. A salon posting random photos gets no bookings. A garage showing tools creates zero trust. Your content must match what your audience cares about. Step 1, research. We start by analyzing audience psychology, competitors, industry trends, high-performing content formats, and what people actually engage with. This removes guesswork and builds a strategy focused on results. Step 2, industry-specific content. In 2026, content must be industry-specific. Generic content no longer works. For fashion, skincare, and cosmetics, aesthetic reels, tutorials, GRWM videos, influencer-style content, before and after visuals, trend-based looks. For SaaS and IT, problem-solution reels, explainers, case studies, pain point storytelling, use cases, quick demos. For real estate, walkthroughs, community guides, lifestyle reels, market updates, investment tips. For auto garages, before and after repairs, car care tips, quick hacks, diagnosis reels. For beauty salons, transformations, time lapses, trending styles, service highlights. For limo and rent a car, car showcases, luxury experiences, travel tips, client experience videos. Step 3, brand identity. Your profile is your storefront. Before anyone sees your content, they judge your profile. We optimize your cover photo, your bio, your highlights, your grid, your CTAs, and your page structure. If your grid does not look professional, people will not trust your business. Step 4, best posting. Times posting at random times kills your reach. Every industry has peak hours when engagement is highest. We track hourly engagement patterns, daily performance, weekday versus weekend trends, and timing data. Posting at the wrong time can drop your engagement by 50%. Step 5, trending content and hooks. To grow fast in 2026, you must mix industry-specific content with trend-aligned formats. High-performing hooks include, stop scrolling if you struggle with this. Nobody talks about this, but you need to know. 3 mistakes ruining your results. Before you buy this, watch this. This trick changed everything. Hooks get attention. Content builds trust. CTAs bring customers. Step 6, captions, hashtags, and CTAs. Captions matter. Hashtags matter. CTAs matter. We use story-driven captions, industry hashtags, location hashtags, and action-focused CTAs. This is how your content reaches the right people. Step 7, engagement and community growth does not come from posting. It comes from interacting. We handle comments, messages, lead replies, and customer questions. This turns viewers into paying customers. Step 8, analytics. Most people open analytics just to look at numbers, but that is not the point. Analytics tell us what to post next, which topics your audience loves, which posting times work best, which trends convert, and how your brand is performing over time. Data is not for viewing. Data is for improving. AI tools in 2026 analyze your entire online presence. If your social media is weak, inconsistent, or inactive, AI will not recommend your business. Strong social media improves brand authority, recognition, trust, digital presence, and conversion rates. If you want real engagement, real trust, and real customers, not vanity likes, this is the time to fix your social media strategy. Reach out to Soft Crust, and we will audit your social media for free and show you exactly what strategy will bring you customers in 2026.